RV Academy. In my previous video, I explained what is FIFO and LIFO method. In today's video, I am going to explain what is simple average method and weighted average method. But before that, I will explain what is simple average method. Whenever there is an issue of prices, we have to take the average of the number of prices in the issue. For example, if there are two prices, 5 plus 6, 5 plus 6 divided by 2. If there are three prices, 5 plus 6 plus 8, 5 plus 6 plus 8 divided by 2. If there are 4 prices, 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 12, then we have to add all the 4 prices and divide it by 4. Like how many number of prices are there, we have to divide it by so many number of prices to get the simple average price for issue of material. Now let me take one problem and work out simple and weighted average method. What do you mean by weighted average price? And prepare stores ledger under weighted average price from the following. Though it is asked to prepare a weighted average method, I will do both simple and weighted average for this problem. January 2nd, purchased 4,000 units at 4 per unit. January 20th, purchased 500 units at 5 per unit. February 5th, issued 2,000 units. February 10th, purchased 6,000 units at 6 per unit. February 12th, issued 4,000 units. March 2nd, issued 1,000 units. March 5th, issued 2,000 units. March 15th, purchased 4,500 units at 5.50 per unit. March 20th, issued 3,000 units. Now, first I will go to this particular columns. Same columns we have to write in the stores ledger. Date column, particulars, receipt. Receipt means whenever we make a purchases, that is called receipt. Issues, whenever we issues the material, it should be written in the issue column. And the balance. Balance column, same like all the three parts, quantity, rate, amount, quantity, rate, amount, quantity, rate, amount. January 2nd, we purchased 4,000 units at the rate of 4 per unit, it comes to 16,000. There is no any opening balance, straight away we purchase, so that I will go to the balance column. This itself becomes the balance here. 4,000 into 4, 16,000. Now, 20th, we purchased 500 units at the rate of 5 per unit, 2,500. So now, no need to write the rate here. Just I will add 4,000 plus 500, 4,500. 16,000 plus 2,500, 18,500. Whenever we purchase, receipt should be added. Issues should be deducted. 5th February, issues. Whenever there is an issue, we have to apply the simple average price. Here we have two prices here. Before issue, just look at the stock here, 4,500, which includes 5 plus 4. 4,500 means 5 plus 4. 4 plus 5 divided by 2 comes to 4.5 is the issue price. 2,000 into 4.5, it comes to 9,000. The balance now, 4,500 minus 2,000 becomes 2,500. 18,500 minus 9,000, 9,500. So no need to multiply any values here, just out of 18,500 deduct 9,000, straight away you write the balance here. Next, February 10th, we purchased 6,000 units at the rate of 6, 36,000. When you come to the balance column, 2,500 plus 6,000, 8,500, 9,500 plus 36,000, 45,500 is the total value. On February 12th, there is an issue. Before issue, we have to see here 8,500 stock, which includes, straight away you come here, 8,500 minus 6,000 means 2,500. 2,500 minus 500 means 2,000. That means out of 8,500, 2,000 units related to 4 rupees, 500 units related to 5 rupees and 6,000 units related to 6 rupees. That's why I have taken all the three prices here. 4 plus 5 plus 6 divided by 3, 5 rupees. 4,000 into 5, it comes to 20,000. And the balance now, 8,500 minus 4,000, 4,500, 45,500 minus 20, it comes to 25,500. On March 2nd, there is an issue again. Before issue, I will see the stock. 4,500. What are the values involved? If you come here, 6,000. That means these two stocks already got exhausted. We need not take that price straight away. 6 divided by 1 means 6 rupees only. So that I'll take only 6. Once again I'll tell you, before issue of 1000 units, I will see the closing stock available here 4500. That belongs only this stock. These two stocks are got exhausted, already issued, so that you need not take that rate. So 4500 belongs to this. That's why I'll take 6 rupees. 1000 into 6, 6000, 3500. 25500 minus 6000, 19500. 4500 minus 1000, 3500. Again there is an issue 2000. Before that 3500. Again it belongs to this 6000 stock. So 6 rupees. 2000 into 6, 12,000. 1500 is the balance. 7500 is the amount value. Purchased on 15. 4500 units at the rate of 5.50. 24,750. Now, so 1500 plus 4500, 6000. 7500 plus 24,750, 32,250. Now, March 20th, we have an issues. Before it is issued, we have to see what are the stocks involved. When you come here, 6000 minus 4500, 1500. So 4500 belongs to 5.50 and 1500 stock. This and this stock. So that's why I took 5.50 plus 6 divided by 2, 5.75. 3000 into 5.75, 17,250. It comes to 3000. Balance is 15,000. Whenever there is an issue, you have to see before issues, see the stock available previous day. 6,000 units available. 6,000 units belongs to what? 4,500 out of this. You can take a calculator. 6,000 minus 4,500. Just look at the purchase column. 6,000 minus 4,500 means 1,500 that belongs to this. Suppose if it is belongs to this also, you have to take 3 values. If it is only say for example here we have only 4,500 units, then we have to take only one price because it belongs to only this stock. This has been assumed to be exhausted. So here this is how we prepare the stores ledger under simple average method. Now let me work out same problem under weighted average method. In case of weighted average method, total value divided by number of units, total units, whatever price we get, in that price we have to issue the material. Once again I will tell you, total value divided by total number of units, what price we get, in that rate we have to issue the material. Now just take the same problem. Purchased 4,000 units, 4,000 into 4, 16,000. Purchase and balance column is the same. Again 20th purchased 500 units. So it becomes 4,500 at the rate of 5. So we don't worry about this. So first I will do 4,000 plus 500, 4,500, 16,000 plus 2,500, 18,500. Now carefully observe. The price I calculated through the weighted method, 18,500 divided by 4,500, it comes to 4.11. 18,500 divided by 4,500, 4.11. Add the values and divided by number of units, you get the value. You get the price, sorry. February 5th issued 2,000 units. 2,000 units at the rate of 4.11. What price we have here? We have to take the same price here. 4.11, 8,220. The balance becomes 4,500 minus 2,000, 2,500. Rate becomes the same, 4.11, 10,280. Approximately you get 10,270 because of fractions. You can just minus it. 18,500 minus 8,220, 10,280. February purchased 6,000 units at the rate of 36,000. 2,500 plus 6,000, 8,500. 10,280 plus 36,000, 46,280. 46,280 divided by 8,500, 5.44. Now, February 12th issued 4,000 units, 4,000 at the rate of 5.44, 21,760. The balance becomes 8,500 minus 4,000, 4,500, 46,280 minus 21,760, 24,520. Price is the same. March 2nd again issued 1,000 units, 5.44, 5440. 4,500 minus 1,000, 3,500, 24,520 minus 5,440, 19,080. March 5th again issued 2,000 units. 5.44 is the price, 10,880. So balance 3,500 minus 2,000, 1,500, 19,080 minus 10,880, 8,160. On March 15th, we purchased 4,500 units. 1,500 plus 4,500, 6,000. At the rate of 5.50, it comes to 24,750. 8,160 plus 24,750, 32,920. 32,920 divided by sales, 5.49. 32,920 divided by 6,000 units, you get 5.49. Issued 3,000 units at the rate of 5.49. Prevailing stock, whatever price we have, same price we have to take here. 5.49, 16,470. The balance 6,000 minus 3,000, 3,000. 32,920 minus 16,470, 16,450. Price is the same when you are writing the balance. The closing stock now 3,000 units at the rate of 5.49, 16,450. This is how we have to work out under simple and weighted average method. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.